Here I've got Motorola Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then click on the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it's this one. Click on Edit Contact, and now if you would like to add the profile picture, just select the camera tab. And now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me choose photo from my gallery, and let me pick this one. Now you can customize it, so you can make it smaller, bigger. You can also customize it, like turn it around, and then tap on done. Once it's finished, click on save to apply the changes, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and every time Siri will be calling you, you will see this profile picture. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add photo to a contact in your Motorola Razr from 2019. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.